Hello everyone, Rosa here, and today I will show you how to make a simple Kazakh pilaf. For that we need a cup of rice. You can take both short grain or basmati rice and pour 2 cups of water over it. Put that aside. Now we dice a half of a brown onion. You can cut the onion to your preference. My family likes it finely diced, so that is why I go to such trouble as cutting it as small as I am doing in the video. Then we grate 2 large peeled carrots. Some people also prefer to dice their carrot for pilaf. Also peel and cut 3 garlic cloves. I have about 400 grams of meat. You can cook more or less meat for your pilaf. You can use either beef or lamb for pilaf recipe. In a deeper pot, I'm using an enamel cast iron pot. Pour about 3 tablespoons vegetable oil and start frying the meat until it browns all over. About 4 to 5 minutes. I also add about 1/4 teaspoon salt and some pepper. Then we add the onion, cook it for another 3 minutes. Then carrot, which we cook for another 4 minutes. Now it's the time to add the rice with water. Place garlic evenly on top of rice. Add about 1 teaspoon salt and freshly ground pepper to your taste. As the rice starts to gently bubble, change the hot plate heat, setting to minimum. Cover the rice with a lid and leave for 20 minutes. In 20 minutes time, the pilaf should be ready. You can see that rice absorbed the water and is now fluffy. Take the pot off heat and leave for another 10 to 20 minutes. Then you can serve it up with freshly cut herbs. If you like the recipe, please leave a like and also subscribe to this channel for more tasty recipes. Bon appetit!